Welcome to HDM Summer Course 2026 in Stuttgart.
So I'm actually studying economics, but the communications program was really interesting, getting to meet new people, and the professors were amazing.
I've learned about radio, television, social media, branding, all from a German and European perspective. And these are lessons that are very valuable that I'm going to take back home to my own education.
You also get to do fun activities with the German students, and that is really nice.
My favorite activity was wine hiking. I liked it a lot, although it was really tiring, but it was really fun.
We went to a creative agency and it was one of my favorite activities.
I would say you should totally do it. It's really fun, it's really interesting.
It's not just about learning in a different country and a different university.
It's like a one-in-a-lifetime experience.
And besides that, I also met a lot of amazing professors and also amazing friends from all around the world.
The overall experience was fantastic. I think it was a great opportunity, and I wouldn't trade it for the world. I've had a great time so far.
There were so many fun activities, we had such a great time, and life's too short, just do it.